3. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. And here I'm using PowerPoint, so this is much easier. And I'm also using Zoom meeting with my friend. Hello, hello, please absent. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay, let's start. So we will start this lesson. I'm remaking this video because in previous video I made many mistakes. So we will begin this lesson with question: what is the smallest thing in this entire universe? Okay, anyone know what is the smallest thing in this universe? Anyone know? Okay, nobody know. Okay. Okay, we will review what is the smallest thing in this universe. So, the smallest thing in this universe is an atom. Atom is not just a smallest thing, but it's also the one who make everything we know, such as water, air, metal, and others. Atom have a different structure, and because there is various type of atom, there are also various elements. So we see in this picture, this is the 2D image of an atom. So uh, we see there is blue and red round circle in the middle, and then there is also black line and black dot, and we will soon know what is that mean. Okay, next. Now we'll talk about atom structure. Atoms have smaller particles inside of it, or we can call subatomic particles. There's 3 subatomic particles. One of them is named proton that have positive charge. You see, there is proton uh, that have plus symbol. Okay, that was a mistake. And then uh, there is also a neutron that have neutral charge. So the this neutron is not have a charge. The neutron, the red one named neutron, have a function. So we'll soon know. First, we have to talk about subatomic particle. And the last one is an electron that have negative charge. Proton and neutron is forming together to become a nucleus. So you see there is proton, and there is neutron that form together into a nucleus. And then there is 6 electron. So proton and neutron is forming together to become a nucleus. They are forming together. This nucleus is forming by proton and neutron in the middle, while electron is orbiting nucleus. Electron is orbiting nucleus because the law of electromagnetic. But what is the law of electromagnetic? Anyone know what is the law of electromagnetic?
No.
Okay. Nobody know what is the what is the law of electromagnetic. So the law of electromagnetic, I will annotate here. So when a positive charge meet a positive charge, they will not join together. Just imagine positive is a man, is a boy that forming together with another boy. This is not natural, and you know, married just will a boy and a boy will not join together. But when you join proton, a positive charge with a negative charge, or a boy and a girl, okay, they will join up together. So we can just say positive meet positive will reject each other, but when positive meet negative, it will join each other. Okay, you understand?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, next. Wait. Uh, there is a mistake. Wait. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Okay, we will soon know the history of an atom. So, atom was first invented by Aristotle, a Greek philosopher. So, atom name itself coming from the word atomos, or in ancient Greek language, it is mean cannot be cutting anymore. So, it also mean uh, atom is a smallest thing that cannot be separated anymore. And then British chemist John Dalton that lived 16th until 17th century was the one who explaining atom from chemist perception. So John Dalton suggests that atom is the smallest particle that cannot split up anymore, cannot spread anymore with all chemist reaction. So atom itself is the smallest thing and we cannot spread it anymore. He also suggests that reaction happen because of atom interaction. So a chemical reaction is happen when atom bonds and reject each other because of an interaction of an atom. And then Ernest Rutherford and James Chadwick that also born in 17th century is scientists that invented atomic model. Ernest Rutherford suggests that negative electrons are spinning around and orbiting positive atoms, while James Chadwick suggests that proton and neutron is forming together to form a nucleus. So we know that electron is orbiting a proton because of Ernest Rutherford that suggests that negative electrons are spinning around and orbiting positive atoms. While James Chadwick suggests that proton and neutron is forming together to form a nucleus. So we know that proton and neutrons form a nucleus uh, that it that will make electron orbiting them. We know it because of James Chadwick. Okay, next. Okay, maybe because of my explanation, uh, some of you are not understand. So I will answer your question. Why electron is not falling down into a nucleus? As we know that the law of electromagnetic, when so if you are realize that proton is a positive and electron is a negative, that means they will bond each other. But if they are joined together, why electron is orbiting atom? Why electron is not formed with a proton to form a nucleus? Because they are bond each other, right? So the answer is because of a centralism oh my god, This is very horrible. And centrifugalism. So, what is centripetalism and centrifugalism? So, just imagine you are the nucleus that contains proton and neutron, and you're holding a ball, and then you're spinning around. When you stop and release the ball will just throw away. The ball is just just fly away. Why? Because why when you're spinning around and hold it, the ball is not flying away? Because centripetalism and the centrifugalism work at the same time. So when you're spinning a ball, this ball also moving far away from you. And at the same moment, at the same time, the ball also moving towards the center, that the center is you. So we can make a conclusion. Okay. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. So centripetalism mean that centripetalism is a movement that make it towards its center, when centrifugalism is a movement that going away from its center. So when you see that those this man is spinning a ball, you realize that centrifugalism make the ball towards the center. So centrifugalism is a movement that make something moving towards its center, while centripetalism is a movement that make it far away from the center. This make an electron is orbiting protons every time with the same speed. You guys all understand?
Yeah.
Okay, you all understand what is centripetalism and centrifugalism. And then, as I mentioned before, as I say before, atom is the smallest thing, but there is a subatomic particle. So why I say atom is the smallest thing? So even the subatomic particle is not the smallest thing. There is quark. Quark is the smallest thing, but why? So if you see the atom in a chemistry, if you see from chemistry, atom is the smallest thing. Why? Because atom is the smallest thing that can interact with each other and make chemical reaction. So if you know, the subatomic particles just work on their own law. They are just spinning around, they are just negative and spinning around. So it is the law. But when you see an atom can bond together with a various another atom, another element, to form various things in this entire universe. It's why atom is the smallest thing in chemistry. But if you see from physics, if you see from physics, quark is the smallest thing because physically It is the smallest thing. Okay? Our friends want to asking.
Sorry.
Yes? Yes? Why? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Yes?
The writing is not clear.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not good at writing, so V. Okay, I will use text. So, okay, I will use text. Well, electrons.
But I can read.
So I will use this. So, okay. I think this is more clear. Okay, clear.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will put them here. Okay, so the answer of atom is the smallest thing from what you see. If you see from physics, okay, if you see from physics, the smallest thing is atomic particles or quark because physically they are the smallest thing, but in chemistry, the smallest thing is an atom. Okay, we will continue to another question. What happens if there are more protons or electrons instead of an atom? Okay, there is two of our friends that raised hand. Okay, what? Uh, hello. Someone is
Yes.
raising hand.
Yes.
Hello.
I can
Okay,
hear it.
okay. What you what is you want to ask?
No. Just.
Cristiano Ronaldo seven raised hand. Okay. Uh, what you want to asking? Are you are you not understand yet? Hello. Okay. What happen if there are more protons or electrons inside of an atom? Okay, the answer is we will talk about. Oh my God. Wait. So ion and isotope. If there are more protons or electrons in the structure of atom, like the question before, the atom itself becomes charged or ion. If there are more protons in the structure of an atom, the charge of an atom becomes positive. So, as you know, the subatomic particles, proton is positive. So if there are more protons inside of atom, because the proton is domaining in a structure of an atom, the charge of an atom itself become positive ion. Or we can also symbolize it with plus. And if there are more electrons, the atom become negative. So because electron itself is a negative and electron itself is domaining, the atom become negative. But what happens if there are more neutrons inside of an atom? So the atom become an isotope. The number and value of an isotope is depends by the number of the neutron and the proton inside of a nucleus. So carbon 12 atom have 6 neutron and 6 protons. So the conclusion is isotope is a value that uh, that's valuing the neutron inside of an atom. So neutron itself have a value, and this will make another type of the element. So carbon 12, one of the elements that have own structure, that have so what is element? So element, uh, so in an atom there is maybe in a nucleus there is two protons, there is two neutrons, and there is one electrons. But in an atom, maybe the electrons can become two, and the proton can become three, and the neutron can become three also. This make a various element. So carbon is uh carbon is the one of the elements. So carbon 12 atom have 6 neutron and 6 proton. So the carbon isotope become 12 because 6 plus 6 become 12. If there is 7 neutron inside carbon atom, the isotope become 13. You guys understand? Because 7 plus 6 because it's is 13. Okay. Yep, that's all from me. And I will answer one question again. What is the function of a neutron? So, proton cannot join together to form a nucleus because it's a positive with a positive. In the law of electromagnetic, positive with positive cannot join together. Okay? So, neutron have to fill those empty space to make the proton 1 and the proton 2 can form together with neutron to form a nucleus. So it's the function of a neutron. Yep, that's all from me. Enjoy. Bye.